fashion, I kind of stopped collecting OMG dolls. I know, and there's no like huge reason, it just kind of happened. I think my last video was like 11 months ago. Well, until today. What's up, Fabs and Besties? Today we're gonna check out a few dolls and yeah, let's see what happens. I've been looking at this doll for a few months now. I have literally had her in and out of my cart like 3 times. And today I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and take a look. This doll was $30.99 on Amazon. And I kind of picked up this one too for $44. It's kind of a lot. Yeah. In my opinion, of course. And I would prefer to like see the doll in the packaging so I can check for things like messed up paint and stuff like that. Like I can over here. But I bought her online, so I guess that doesn't really matter. This is OMG World Travel Sunset. This doll has been on the shelves for a minute. Let's just open it up. And oh, look, she's right there and she's fully dressed. And there's no plastic. Well, some in the back. Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Okay, she's cute.
She has long braids with gold strands in the front, wears it styled in a knot on top, has painted edges, and that sunset eyeshadow. Wow. She wears a yellow 2-piece outfit with long sleeves. It ties in the front. The skirt is gathered at the waist and has elastic. She wears fishnet stockings, brown boots with gold painted details, comes with a doll stand, and some pretty cool luggage. Ooh, and check out those nails. The suitcase can open. We have some surprises inside. Little hair decorations. Oh, this is interesting. I am totally gonna lose one of those. But I didn't. We have a little gel neck pillow, gold colored earrings, and a little flower necklace where they actually painted the center of each flower. She has large pink sunglasses, a passport, a garment bag with more fashion to expand her wardrobe. Unfortunately, the little blue top under her shirt has one strap longer than the other. So close. But overall, she is probably my favorite OMG doll so far. I love the natural hair color, the beautiful ombre eyeshadow, the suitcase accessory. Don't see much point in this, but the large backdrop is a lot of fun. If you're looking for fashion, Splash Beauty's got you covered. From OMG Queens, Splash Beauty has color change hair and several clothing items. There's a lot of packaging. Does it turn into like a playset or something? I don't think so. Splash Beauty is giving off some strong mermaid vibes with pearl and seashell hair accessories, face paint, earrings, necklace, and belt. She comes with 2 pairs of shoes. I like these pearly white ones. She comes with a doll stand, hairbrush, so we can brush these long curls. There's a lot of colors going on here. You have like white, this light aqua color, then a brighter aqua color, and then this shiny one, which I thought for a second was tinsel, but it's not. But it's super shiny. The curls are soft and very easy to form. She comes wearing a 2-piece outfit. It's sparkly, fans out at the bottom. We can add this pink sheer robe. I think it's a robe. It's a shiny, smooth fabric. I like the sleeves. There are 3 layers, cool collar, and it goes all the way around. She comes with a picture, queens embrace who they are, and strut fierce styles. This looks like a party invitation. We have 3 hangers, a pink skirt, pink fishnet socks, strappy shoes, a pink and white jacket with aqua trim and ribbons going down the sleeves, There's a fishtail on the back, reinforcing that mermaid vibe. Shell sunglasses, a shell purse with painted pearls and buckles, and a bathing suit with pearls on the straps and a tulle ruffle. I had a difficult time getting the bottoms on, but it is a cute look. I'm just a little worried that with excessive pulling, I might eventually ruin it. But she is all about mixing and matching her looks to have fun with her wardrobe. According to the Target description, the white streak in her hair should change color with sunlight. Oh wow, look at that. It really does change color in the sun. I totally ran outside to see if it would work, and by the time I ran back up to my camera, it already started changing back. If you want more than just a mermaid vibe, then let's check out Mermaze Mermaidz. I bought this doll from Walmart. It was $33.84, and this one was $32.88. They have a color change tail. There are different characters to choose from. This is Jordy, who's into glam, sporty, chasing the surf. And I got Harmonique, I think. Pop star, performer, no spotlights enough. The packaging is pretty wild. The tail is exposed, and it took a minute to free them. These mermaids do not have feet, but that won't stop them from standing on their own two fins. Harmonique has inset eyes, eyelashes, long pink hair with silver bands tied around it. She wears a headset, has large earrings, a necklace, a top with sheer puff sleeves. She has like a little pink corset with crystals and belts. They are all separate pieces. There's another one on her tail. She comes with a bag, has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, upper torso. Pretty good movement there. There's some movement at the tail and fin. For the most part, the tail is pretty stationary. It can move at the top and at the fin at the bottom. She has bracelets sculpted to her arm and rings on her fingers. She has a fun hand shape and a painted on top. She has these long curls in the front. They're a little crunchy, but it's kind of neat. You can balance her on her tail. She does lean forward a little, but the articulation at the torso is kind of cool. And I would love to see that added to, like, I don't know, Rainbow High, OMG. Yeah. I'm not a makeup expert by any means, so I might be a little behind on trends, but I wouldn't mind if that shimmery makeup under the eye was just blended a little. But maybe that's the style, I don't know. Jordy has long black braids. Seriously long, they're down to the ground. With blonde highlights. It's styled with 2 knots on top. She has freckles, which are adorable, a little heart detail under the eye, large silver heart earrings, necklaces, little bands or bracelets that are removable. I think these are sweatbands. A sporty yellow and black top that says swim team. And the main reason why I picked up this doll, this iridescent puffer coat. It has faux buttons on the front, stripes on the sleeves. It's finished all the way around, and it totally looks big enough to possibly fit other brands. Oh yeah. It might be a little short on the arms for a Barbie, but I don't see that stopping me. Jordy's tail is kind of like a shimmery black with yellow stripes, and her fin is kind of pearly. She comes with a bag. I think they're calling it a fin ball inspired purse. The ball can be removed and opened. These mermaids do have color change tails when they come in contact with warm and cold water. Let's put Jordy in the ice water. Ooh, her tail turns kind of pink. We have some pink stripes there. This involves water. It can get messy. Make sure you're on a protected surface. Here's Harmonique. All right, Not seeing a change with cold water. The tail does kind of hold some water, and when you take it out, it starts to come out right here, so have towels. Looks like the paint is chipping. Placing Harmonique in warm water now. Her tail is turning silver. On the front, the back didn't change. And the warm water removed Jody's stripes. Did I forget to mention Jody comes with sunglasses? I think this is a pretty cool idea, having mermaids that can stand on display. Personally, I'm not real big on the whole color changing thing, just because I don't like a mess. With Splash Queen, there was no mess, but you're limited to the time of day in which you can change your hair color. Sounds like more of a me problem. All of these dolls are made by MGA, and these two look like they have a similar skin tone. I think we all know what's gonna happen next. Prepare the hot water. Uh-oh. I place the dolls in a bag, then into hot water. Oh, wow. Can they fit? Ooh, don't spill, don't spill. Until the head is soft enough to remove it. Their neck pegs look very similar. I'm thinking this might work. Okay, let's take her head, the Mermaze Mermaid doll, and put it onto the OMG body. Not loving it. The neck is kind of short. But the OMG head on the Mermaze Mermaid body does look pretty good. I like that. But I'm not really feeling this. Oh, but check out a petite made-to-move Barbie. This is the Yara Shahidi made-to-move body, and the color match is pretty close. I put Jordy on the Barbie Looks petite body, and it's not a perfect match. She's a better match for one of the Yoga Barbie made-to-move bodies, but I want to give my petite Barbies a purpose because I kind of don't use them. And she can fit the top. And OMG pants. So we're doing it until a replacement skin tone comes along. So all in all, love Sunset. OMG Mermaze is a yes. Mermaze OMG, not so much. Mermaze Made to Move is a yes. On the petite body, we can take advantage of the Rainbow High closet and a few pieces from OMG. None of these changes were permanent, so as long as you don't break the neck peg, we can always switch them back. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few dolls and switched around a few heads. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Someday we will